RōBEX presents Automation for the Now, a series discussing industry-specific topics that affect manufacturing processes and the automation solutions that are innovating the future today.
Hey guys, my name is Tom Roberts. I'm the Director of Robotic Design here at RōBEX. Today I'm working on a high-speed palletizer that we did for an end user that requires a very fast case rate with very heavy product. It's going to increase overall production while reducing the risk for a lost time injury. The current system uses two in-feeds, and what that enables us to do is run at a very fast rate. The idea behind that is the robot's never going to be waiting for cases. When it's going to pick wide side or narrow side, there always will be cases available. One of the key features to this end-of-arm tool is that it actually uses two motion groups. That's integrated directly into the robotic controller. We have tolerances up to 1/10 of a millimeter. The nice thing with that is if a customer wants to add a future product, all they have to do is enter the information into the system, and then the robot will calculate everything from there. For this particular project, we used a FANUC robot M-410 series, 185 kilogram. We use that robot because it's very, very fast. We're an authorized integrator with FANUC, and the reason we chose FANUC is simply they're just the #1 robot. Their service and support is unmatched by any company out there.
Before you go, please hit the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or just want some more information about RōBEX, please feel free to email us at automation@robex.us. Thanks for watching.